Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can boot multiple ISO image in one pen drive. So let's get started the video. First of all, you have to download the most popular software named Ventoy. So open your browser, type here Ventoy and enter. You can see that the Ventoy official website is appear here. So click on download. You see there the different the different software category. Ventoy 1.0. You can download anyone. I will download this. So you can see that the download button here. Click on this. Now you see that the download has been started. So in my case I have already downloaded, but it downloaded also. So close this, go to the download folder. You can see that Ventoy, open and open here. You can see that I plug in 16 GB USB. So install the Ventoy on. And okay, yes, okay. Now copy the multiple ISO image to the USB pen drive. I will select this and also select this one, but it may take a long time. I select this and this one, send to Ventoy. So now the copying is completed. You can see that I will copy two ISO image. One is Debian and the second one is tail. You can also copy the Kali Linux, Black Arch, Ubuntu, Parrot OS. You can download and you can copy here anyone ISO image. So now restart your PC and check here how it will be open. So I will restarted my PC. Click on. Now I restarted my PC. Press the function key, boot menu key. In my case it is F12. So scroll down and enter. Here you can see Ventoy has been opened. You can see that Debian and tail OS. You can start anyone. So you want, I will start here the tail. Enter. So you see that the tail OS is starting. So click on start tail. So you see that the tail OS is starting here. That's all in this video. If you like the video, you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.